It's now 9 minutes after 8 o'clock. Just want to let you know that today's storm isn't going to be as simple as snow and rain.
Yeah, the forecast is calling for more of a wintry mix, including sleet and freezing rain in some parts. Meteorologist Ashley Batey, she is live this morning. So, Ashley, why are we going to see these different forms of precipitations in different areas?
Sure. Well, at the surface, it's got to be cold across the board for any type of winter precipitation. And just taking a look at this thermometer I have right now, you can see we're below that 32-degree mark, so that condition is met. Now, in the case of snow, all the way from the cloud straight onto the ground, those temperatures are always going to be at or below the freezing mark. That's what we've seen so far. But as we head through later on today, things start to change. We still see that snow to start. This would be up at cloud level, but as it falls closer to the ground, it's going to encounter this layer of warm air. So that snow is going to melt. Then it encounters another thick layer of cold air, completely refreezes, and that's what we see as those pellets. Now, the freezing rain, and that's the big concern in terms of these catastrophic travel conditions that are forecast for parts of South Carolina. Once again, starting off as snow, but a much deeper layer of warm air, then it hits another shallow layer of cold air, just does not have time to completely refreeze. So instead what we see, super cool droplets that freeze on contact to any surface that is at or below the freezing mark. That means roads, that means bridges, overpasses, and trees that can bring down power lines and cause power outages, which again means a mess, especially for our southern counties coming up later on today. We're going to have more on that forecast in just a few moments for you, but for now, we're live in Charlotte. Ashley Batey, WBTV, on your side.
Yeah, it gives us a good understanding there of how things change as it's coming down and hitting the ground. All right, well, with snow, many of us aren't thinking about the end of the week, but just in case